Pure beauty.
Beautiful view. Beautiful view. All right, guys, so we made it this morning. Good morning. Good morning. What is up? Made it this morning or last night. Got in super late. So remember we were making a joke about how long it took. It took us 2.5 hours to get across the bridge. So like I said, yes, last night, definitely count on enough time to go and, you know, get across here. So that's the only part that's a little bit of a delay. But once you get over here, get that view real quick. Look at that. You get a nice, or at least if you stay at this place, you know, not all of them got views like this, but quite a few of them have. This is kind of off of like a peninsula. So yeah. So enough of that. So we're going to hit a trail. And good morning, Nick, by the way.
Morning, guys.
Hey. So we're about to hit a trail. It's going to take us to Fossil Ledges. Kind of play around there, see how it is. You know, it's not super warm. It's actually nice today. I think tomorrow's supposed to be a little cooler. So we probably won't be getting too drenched. You know, so.
You say that now.
I know, right? But we definitely plan to.
You see that puddle and you just send it.
See how clean the X3 was before? It's about to be done, okay? We're done. That thing is about to be caked up, okay? Not too much mud out here. They were saying there's not a whole lot of mud around this time right now. I don't know. So just water. You know, a lot of them are pretty, you know, they got pretty nice bottoms to them. So we're not going to be doing any crazy, you know, up to here water or anything. So yeah, so we're excited. We're going to take you guys along. Drummond Island 2022. Doing it with you. Let's go. We'll see you in a minute. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. How you doing?
Doing good. We're excited. Nervous.
Nervous. We've never been here, so got the machines out. We got the me and Brian got these like freaking frog, whatever they're called, frog togs, because it's supposed to get real wet out here. So let's sorry, machine, not gonna look so clean after a minute here. So let's get cooking. Let's get.
All right, so we just made it to Fossil Ledges.
Ooh, this is really good. It's a good view. Pier, Michigan, baby. So we met some cool people over here, so they're here as well. So this is one of the was it northeast?
Yep.
Northeast. No wait. Northeast.
Yeah, northeast.
Northeast trails that you can hit. So it's not super long, but it's kind of like, you know, it's not crazy. So if you just getting in, you know, getting into it and getting started. We like just got here and it was like trying to take us down some just crazy, just rutted out trail. I'm like, you know, we got to build our way up to that. So, did you slam any, like do any slamming in the waters or anything? I swear you were gonna just like slam that one.
There was a couple, but I seen that when you go through them, so I knew they weren't even that deep because I was
I'm
behind
almost
you.
telling you, like literally.
That one to the right where you went to the left and there was a mud pit to the right, I almost went to the right.
I was like, well, when we go back, we can hit it.
All right.
So, yeah, so I guess you got to go the same way out that you come in. So, yeah, it kind of like does like a little loop. It's pretty much a loop, and you just go right out. So, all right, we're gonna keep riding, and we're just having a good time. All right, we might even hit another one because this one's not super long. All right, maybe.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll see you in a minute. Caked. What's up, guys? Actually, you know what? This one's actually not, it ain't even that dirty, so.
He's not either.
I had a windshield.
He did have a windshield. So, just spent the day at Fossil Ledges, and it's not a super long trail, but we did, I think we conquered it. And they got this crazy, you know, actual fossil ledge, you know, hence the name, right? That you can just kind of walk and see everything. You guys, I mean, that was pretty cool, right?
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah, so
Got some cool pictures.
yeah, but I said this dude is a photographer mode over here, so I'd say. But yeah, I mean, the island wasn't too cold today. It was like 65, maybe 62, 65, something like that.
Between like 52 and 62.
Yeah, so right now it's cooler, but as we were riding, it was
going down.
What was that?
Because the sun's going down.
Yeah, so on the way back was a little chill.
Yep.
All right, so tomorrow we're actually heading to Marblehead with Zach.
Yep, Zach will be here
Zach
tomorrow.
will be here, and Jamie, his lady, and we're gonna hit that. Weather won't be as pretty, unfortunately, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wow, look at that green Bronco, holy moly! It just catches my attention every time. So
Thank you, buddy.
yeah, man, telling me about it. So yeah, so we will be at the Marblehead tomorrow, and then whatever else, we might hit another trail. We gotta see if we can find a different one. So yeah, so fun day. We will see you guys tomorrow at the next trail, and that'll be the next video. So we will see you guys, and yeah, till then, say bye.
Yeah.
Say
See y'all
bye.
tomorrow.
Bye. Sheens will not look like this tomorrow. All right, we want to get them a little dirtier. That way we can say we conquered it. All right, guys.